Good morning. So we're about to head to the farmer's market and we have our overnight oatmeal. So there was a time where I didn't think I liked oatmeal. Of course, my only frame of reference was the maple and brown sugar packets. And of course, it was always hot. So the thought of eating cold oatmeal completely out of my comfort zone. But once we tried to put different flavor combinations together, this is blueberry, and it's actually our blueberry overnight oatmeal, and then I added a peach. So I kind of backed down the blueberries just a little bit. But if you have tried overnight oatmeal and you're still thinking, I'm not a fan, I would really encourage you to try it again. Try a different flavor combo. One of my other favorites is our Neapolitan overnight oats because there's chocolate. And another thing that we love to do during the week, and we did it this past week, is to do a baked oatmeal. And we have so many different flavor combinations and options on the website. But so what I did this week is I picked the baked blueberry oatmeal, and I had a couple of peaches that were really, really ready to be used. And so I adjusted the amount of blueberries, just brought that down a little bit, added a couple of peaches, and it's so easy to put together. And then you just bake it for 30 minutes. And the most amazing part is you get to eat that leftover for morning after morning after morning. We were able, I think we did 3 mornings of leftovers with that baked blueberry and peach oatmeal, and it was absolutely fantastic. So try oatmeal in different ways, because if you're like me, you may become a believer and you didn't even know you would be.